President, I present to you successful candidates in recent examinations for membership of the Royal College of Surgeons via ENT route.
Abu Rahman Alberuni.
There was a museum showing approximately 3,500 collections of the anatomist and surgeon John F. Hunter. And we visited after the ceremony.